This is a 2015 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Low. The color of this low is brilliant silver, metallic, and vivid black. It's a very low mileage low with only 5,941 original miles on the odometer. This bike isn't even broke in yet. Being the limited model, it comes with ABS brakes, the smart security system with the key fob. Also comes with the color matched painted inner fairing. Also the 6.5-inch boom stereo system, which is AM, FM, weather band, navigation, Bluetooth. Has a hidden compartment where you plug your iPod or your phone into, so it interfaces your music into the bike, which can be controlled either on the touch screen or with the hand controls. A few accessories have been added to this limited low. The Kuriakan ISO grips have been added. Also, the chrome slash-cut Rush mufflers to give it a little better sound. And also, the rear saddlebag lights have been added. They are running lights, brake lights, and turn signals, so it gives you great visibility from the rear. The premium tour pack rack has been added. LED taillights, LED rear fender LED lights, bike is in very, very good condition. No holes, no tears in the seat. Very comfortable for the rider and, of course, the passenger. Has the 103 high output V-twin engine, mated to the 6-speed transmission. Out in the sun, it's a great metallic color. It has the short tinted sport windshield, of course the redesigned fairing with the vent to reduce buffeting. LED headlights, LED driving lights. The fender tip light is also LED. Being the limited model, it also has the liquid cooling into the heads. Helps the bike run a little cooler when you're in traffic or on a really hot day. For a really nice late model Ultra Limited, but the reach to the ground is just a little bit too far to be comfortable, take a good look at this 2015 Limited Low. It's lowered by the factory about 1.5 inches, so if you're under 5'10", you can flat foot this bike very easily. For information on how to put this beautiful low mileage low in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.